Okay, now it'll be loaded. Yeah, do a couple more. Yeah. Now those ones you see are a lot harder, but the ones you'll be using. Do you want to give her a try?
Sure.
So, all the way back. Nice.
There you
Try her
go.
again. Yeah. You may be out of ammo, I'm not sure. Nice. Again.
Okay, who's gun was this? What's your name?
Hayden.
Right, my turn. She came in once.
One more.
Hayden, you get it? Okay, I'm out. I'm hit. Hey, we're both hit. Quick, everybody, get him out here. Hit the button, quick.
Red, and 1 point for gold.
Woohoo!